No.
Quit! What are you gonna tell her? Hey, what are you gonna tell her else I'm not letting you call her?
Not your first assistant, Bob. And neither is Margie. I did nothing that we haven't done 100 times before. The money goes into a common pot. That is not the point. You can't make decisions that affect us without consulting us first. Right, Margie? We're equal. Not here.
Act 1, scene 1000. She has escaped. So we found a new species of. Oh God! No, don't hit me! She's fine! She's fine!